Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Tribe Beauty Box for December/January 2022. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the December/January 2022 box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Tribe Beauty, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be in the last box of this year and the first box of next year. That's what this one is. December, January. So let's get inside and see what we have. The last palette was really bright, so I'm hoping we got a little like toned down palette this time, but we'll see. So you do have the card right on top, and it says, "Hello beautiful, here's what's in your Tribe Beauty Box," and it gives you a list of all of the products. Here's a little sneak peek to inside of the box. So the first thing that we saw on top is right here, and it looks like there's a few different masks in here. Let's get these out. Oh, so how cool. There's actually a set. So here is a Glam Straight gold foil face mask, and it looks like it's going to be like this really cute little cheetah print. And then there's an I Woke Up This Way gold eye mask, and then Suns Out, Pouts Out gold lip mask. So you have a lip, you have the eye, and then the face mask. And I always tell you guys I like to put all of like these two on and then the sheet mask over it, because then it holds everything into place. So you can use all of these at the same time and you can get your little mask on. That's really cool that it's a whole little set though. I actually do like that. Most of the time you only get one. You're lucky if you get two. This one you got all three. It says SF Glow Gold Foil Face Lip Eye Mask Set. Values for $18. Vegan face, lip, and eye masks. Fake 8 hours of sleep in 20 minutes to achieve radiant, soft, soothed, and nourished skin. Apply the masks to the skin, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, gently massage to absorb any excess. No need to rinse. My favorite type, the ones you just put on, you don't rinse off, and you go on with your day. So here is a 3-piece set. Again, that's really neat that there's all three. So now we have it says Tokyo Milk, Dead Sexy 06, Deep Vanilla, Exotic Wood, White Orchid, Ebony. Is this like a perfume? I don't think we've ever had a perfume in there. Is that what this is? It says it is a perfume. Luxy Beauty Floral Brush Set, valued for $40, or Margot Elena Dead Sexy Perfume. Margot Elena. I don't even see that on here, do I? I see Tokyo Milk. Tony. Who else? Tony. It says Tokyo Milk. But the paper says Margot Elena Dead Sexy. It says Dead Sexy. Okay, so on this side right here, it says Margot Elena. On this side, it says Tokyo Milk. I was like, where does this Margot Elena come into play? Because I did not see that anywhere on here. And it even has a website on the bottom that says www.tokyo/milk.com. So I was like, where are you getting Margot Elena? And then this very light little raised thing on the side of the bottle. It says it right there. Okay, so let's smell this perfume. I've never heard. Ooh, and that's so cool. There's actually a skull behind the label. I love some skulls. Let's see what Dead Sexy smells like. It smells okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it wouldn't be like my favorite. It wouldn't be something like, ooh, that smells really good. But it doesn't smell bad. It's a doable scent to me. It's just not something that I would probably pick out for myself if I was smelling different ones. But it's something that I'm glad to have so I can switch it up between what I currently have. So I will use it, but it's not something that I'm going to grab all the time. I guess I'll say it that way. But that's a really cute package. I like that it kind of looks like a nail polish. And I like that there's a skull on that side that you can see from there. And this one says deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. So it does smell kind of like woodsy, earthy kind of tones to it, but I do like it. So there's that. So again, you would have got that or the Luxie brush set. The Luxie brush set, again, is valued for $40, and that would have featured 4 new brushes, a sponge, and a pouch, or this, which is valued for $42. So there's that guy. Now we have is Your Facial Mini Scrubber with Smart Technology by Daily Concepts. This is valued for $8, conveniently the right size, designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubber technology are just right for a daily soft wash or for an exfoliant wash, both perfect for your face. So there is that. Again, you can use your face, and again, it has pockets. You can stick your fingers in the pockets so you can give yourself a deeper exfoliation. I do like Daily Concepts sponges and stuff though, so that is really neat, and it is a gentle. So on the gentle, mild, or vigorous type of a scrub, this one is on the gentle side. And again, that's valued for $8. Now we have as a product by Wander Beauty. It's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. This right here is valued for $34. In just one swipe, this jet black mascara defining and lengthening formula takes lashes to a whole new height. The wand's precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a full, flirty, fanned out effect. Formulated with nourishing, conditioning, lash-loving ingredients to strengthen lashes with every swipe. So that's really neat that it's in this type of a container, because technically you can really get to every little bit because it won't be all the hard plastic, and it's not like you can really get in there. But that is really neat how they do have their packaging. I've received this one before. I can't remember if I used it or put it in a giveaway. At the time, I was not really using mascara at all, and now because of a lot of you guys have convinced me to, so I kind of just put a little dabble do on in the morning. But I don't recall if this was before my little dabble do's or this was after that I did receive it. So I don't remember ever using it, but I will definitely test it out, at least, you know, now that I am using it. And again, the wand looks like that. So you do have a jet black mascara. And then the last product down in here is the palette. So it's by Illamasqua, and you would have received one of 2 different palettes. Both of them are a $50 value. I received Unveiled. I don't recall if that's the one that I already have, because if so, then I don't want to open it because I would rather this palette go to one of you guys. Let me check and see which one I have. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. I can't find it. To be honest, I think I got rid of it. I don't know if I gave it to somebody or what I did with it, but I don't have it anymore. I know for a fact I had one. So I'm just going to have to open this one so you guys can see it. But I think this is the one that I had. Hint, yep. And I knew I was looking for that color too. I knew it. I knew I was looking for this color, and I knew I was looking for the shape, but I did not have anything in my arsenal that looks like this anymore. So I don't know what I did with it, but this looks so familiar. I think this might be the one that I had, but maybe I just gave it to somebody. But here is what this palette looks like. It is really nice colors, but it just mimics a whole lot of other palettes that I had already a huge plethora of in my arsenal. So I think I just passed this down to somebody who I knew would use it. But yeah, they are very, very pretty colors. They're definitely my go-to, like, you know, my browns and then like a little pop of burgundies. It is a very, very pretty palette, and that one even looks really, really pretty. But like I said, I think I just passed it down to somebody who would use it because I have so many of these same kind of palette color combinations, I guess I would say. But this again is valued for $50, and it would have been one or the other of an Illamasqua palette, both valued for the same price. So that is everything that came in this Try Beauty bi-monthly box. You have a palette Would have been a this or it would have been that. Same price though. There's a facial sponge. There's a Mile High Club mascara by Wonder Beauty. You have a perfume, or it would have been the Luxie brush set. And then you have this set right here for your lips, your under eyes, and your whole face. So that is everything that came in the December/January 2022 box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that they sent? I'm super, super glad though that the palette is more neutral, because like I said, the last two boxes I think were really bright and cheery colors. So I'm glad that this one was a little toned down and not so bold, you know? If you want a little bit more information about Tribe Beauty, I'll let you know right about now. You will receive a box every other month because they are bi-monthly, so there's only 6 of them per year. I really do actually like that, because then you're not getting bombarded with different makeup products. You're only getting one every other month. You will get 5 full-size products, and they go with trendy to indie brands. Each box has a worth of $120 or higher. If you want to just do box by box, again, every 2 months, the box by box is $39.99. If you do a 3-month plan, it brings it to $37.99. And if you do a 6-month plan, it brings it to a $35.99 per box. Shipping is an addition for any of those tiers. Treat yourself to the best of indie beauty with the award-winning Tribe Beauty Box. They also have a lash scoop, so if you just want lashes, you can do that one. That one you can do $11.99 a month. That one is actually monthly. It's $11.99 a month with free shipping. 6 months would be $68.94, or 12 months would be $132. And you will get 5 different lashes delivered monthly with that one. I will link them all down below. You can definitely go check them out. I do have a code, which is Shecrafty, and that'll get you 10% off your first month's box. So if you want to check them out, again, everything will be down below in the description box. You can go take a look. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products inside? What do you think of Tribe Beauty? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.